Hello and welcome to some general meanings and some insight into the court cards. Tonight we've got that wonderful card, Page of Cups. Now the Page of Cups is a messenger of emotional growth and creative beginnings. Like all pages, it signifies youthfulness, learning and a potential, but in the realm of feelings, intuition and imagination. Let's take a look at this card. The general meaning of the Page of Cups. Well, the Page of Cups is a messenger of emotional growth and creative beginnings. Like all pages, it signifies youthfulness, learning and potential, but in the realm of feelings, intuition and imagination. This card suggests emotional openness, a willingness to explore your feelings or connect with others on a deeper level. It's about intuitive messages, which is a call to pay attention to dreams, symbols, and gut feelings. Creative inspiration is the birth of an artistic project, an idea, or an emotional endeavor. And it signifies a fresh start. This could be a new relationship or a renewed sense of wonder in existing connections. The Rider-Waite depiction of the Page of Cups is packed with symbolic elements. The page is holding a cup, so the figure gently holds a chalice, representing their emotional curiosity and readiness to receive. A small fish emerges from the cup, an unexpected symbol of intuition, surprise, and imagination. The fish signifies the subconscious, intuition, and flow of creative or spiritual insight. It reminds us to embrace the unexpected. The water in the background represents the emotional world. While it's not turbulent, it hints at the depth of feeling and the growth potential. The page's attire, adorned with floral patterns, emphasizes creativity, sensitivity, and a connection to nature and beauty. This figure appears contemplative, gazing at the fish as if in some sort of dialogue. This reflects their curiosity and willingness to explore the unknown. Together, these symbols highlight the theme of emotional receptivity, creative potential, and trust in intuition. The astrological associations are connected with Pisces and Neptune, and the Page of Cups is most commonly associated with Pisces and its ruling planet, Neptune. Some Pisces traits: compassion, intuition, dreaminess, and an emotional depth that resonates with the page's exploratory nature. Neptune governs imagination, spirituality, and illusions. Its influence emphasizes the page's connection to intuition, creativity, and dreams. And the Page of Cups symbolizes emotional exploration, artistic inspiration, and spiritual awareness through this lens. Some key interpretations: when positive, emotional beginnings. This is the start of relationships or a new emotional chapter. Creative ideas, a spark of inspiration, often in art, writing, or other forms of self-expression. Intuitive messages, dreams, signs, or gut feelings, guiding you forward, and our playfulness and wonder is a childlike sense of joy and openness to life. When negative, it hints at emotional immaturity that struggles with understanding or expressing our emotions, blocked creativity, feeling stuck or uninspired, or over-sensitivity, taking things too personally, or being overly idealistic, or unrealistic expectations. There's a need to ground your dreams into reality. So, who is the Page of Cups in a reading? Page of Cups may represent a person in your life, someone emotionally open, sensitive, or creative. Often a younger energy or someone embodying these traits. A messenger bringing news of love, inspiration, or emotional opportunities. It can be an aspect of yourself. You need to reconnect with your emotions, your imagination, or your intuition. It can be a call to approach situations with vulnerability and openness. Or it can be a situation. So the early stages may be of a relationship, a creative project, or an emotional journey. It's a time to trust your intuition and embrace your dreams. Let's take a look at some keywords for the Page of Cups. So the Rider-Waite imagery and the emotional depth of this card. The Page of Cups encourages emotional exploration, symbolized by the dialogue that we see with the fish. And the imagery suggests that unexpected or whimsical insights, like the fish in the car, can carry profound meanings. The still water reflects the untapped depths of the emotional world, reminding you to trust your feelings and creative impulses. So how should you read the Page of Cups? When reading this card, focus on emotional openness. What emotions or connections are you exploring? Are you ready to embrace vulnerability? Trust your intuition. Your dreams, signs, gut instincts are key to understanding your situation. Consider creativity. Are you nurturing an artistic project or yearning for some inspiration? Explore its position in the spread. Is this card about you, someone else, or a situation? Its placement will clarify its very meaning. The difference between pages and other tarot cards. Within the court cards, the Page of Cups is the youthful energy of emotional growth, while the Knight represents the active pursuits of emotions, and the Queen embodies emotional mastery, while the King signifies emotional authority. And if we compare it to the minor arcana, well, pages represent personal traits or individuals, while the numbered minor arcana cards focus on specific events or situations. If we compare it to the major arcana, well, the major arcana explores life overarching themes and spiritual lessons, while the Page of Cups is tied to the day-to-day emotional opportunities and growth. The Page of Cups symbolizes the start of an emotional or creative journey. Its connection to Pisces and Neptune deepens its themes of intuition, imagination, and emotional depth. The Rider-Waite imagery invites you to approach life openness and trust in the unseen. Whether it be a person, a mindset, or a situation, Page of Cups encourages you to embrace vulnerability, listen to your inner voice, and find beauty in unexpected places. So if you're interested in learning more about tarot, particularly the court cards, I know people struggle with these. That's why I made the courses, because people ask for them. Let's have a look at the website and the courses that I offer.